So let us start the session. Today we are going to complete the second set of multiple choice questions from chapter number 12, areas related to circles. So let us start with the first question. If the perimeter of semicircular protractor is 36 centimeter, okay, 36 centimeter is given, then its diameter is dash. So what is the formula for perimeter of semicircular protractor?
Pi r plus 2r.
Very good. Pi r plus 2r, and that is equals to 36. Okay. So first what we will do, we will substitute the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Okay. Right. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, you will get 22r plus 14r upon 7. And this will be 36r. Okay. So this will become 36 by 7. And this 36 will be cancelled. And we are getting r is equals to 7. So what will be the diameter?
14 centimeter.
14 centimeter, right. So diameter is equals to 14. So diameter is equals to 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. So which is the correct option?
Option C.
Option C, right. So now we are moving toward question number 2. The diameter of a wheel is 40 centimeter. How many revolutions will it make in covering 176 meter? So we have seen in our regular class, I told you that the number of revolution will be equals to total distance upon circumference. Okay. So क्योंकि diameter दिया हुआ है, we can directly use the formula circumference as pi into d, right? So distance covered by wheel in one revolution is pi into d, and the diameter is given 40. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 40 centimeter. See, the total distance is given in meter and this is centimeter. So we have to convert it into meter. So क्या करेंगे हम लोग? इसको 100 से divide करेंगे, right? So 880 upon 7 centimeter is equals to 880 upon 7 into 100. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the total distance is 176. I told you that 176 total distance upon circumference, right? That is distance covered by wheel in one revolution. So 176 upon 880 upon 7 into 100. तो इसका reciprocal ले लेंगे हम लोग जब multiply करेंगे तो. So 176 into 100 into 7 upon 880. Okay. If you simplify this one, see, हम लोग इसको 11 से cancel कर सकते हैं. So we'll get 16. Okay, and this will be 80. 0, and 1 0 we can cancel from here. ठीक है, 8 को भी cancel कर सकते हैं here. So what we are going to get 2 into 10 into 7. So that is equals to 140. Okay. Okay. So the correct option is option A, right. Now the next question, in making 1000 revolution, a wheel covers 88 kilometer. The diameter of the wheel is dash. So total distance is given and total number of revolutions is given, and we have to find distance circumference. So that is distance covered in one revolution. Okay, so that will be equals to total distance upon number of revolutions. So 88 kilometers. See, all the answers are given in meter. So better to convert 88 kilometer into meter. So 88 into 1000 divided by 1000. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
ये 88 किलोमीटर है. This is 88 kilometer and this is number of revolution. So ये दोनों cancel कर लो. So we'll get 88 meter. This is circumference. Okay. And we have to find diameter. So circumference का formula हम लोग pi into d ले लेंगे, right? So circumference of the wheel is equals to 88 meter, and that is pi into d. So the value of pi is 22 by 7. So substitute कर लेंगे. Now 22 by 7 if you shift to this side, you will get reciprocal. ठीक है? इसको cancel कर दिए. So what is the final answer? 28 meter. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So now we are moving toward question number 4. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 21 centimeter. The area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes is dash. So first of all, angle subtended by a minute hand in 1 minute is equals to 6 degree. That is 360 upon 60. So in 10 minutes, how much angle it will cover?
60 degrees.
60 degree. Very good. So now the area swept by the minute hand will be in the form of what? Sector. And what is the formula of sector? Area of sector.
Theta upon 360 into pi r square.
Very good. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. The value of theta is 60, pi is 22 by 7 and r is the length of the minute hand, that is 21 centimeter. So सबको substitute करनी है. So ये cancel हो रहा है देखो 6, right? And this also we can cancel 11 and 3 and 3 into 7 is 21. तो एक 21 हम लोग cancel कर सकते हैं. So only we will get 11 into 21. That is 231 centimeter square. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, right. So now we are moving toward question number 5. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. The area of the minor segment given pi is equals to 3.14 is dash. So this is the rough figure. We have to find this white color, the area of minor segment. So how we will find area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. And the angle is given 90 degree. So directly we can use quadrant also. So angle of sector is 90 degree and area of right triangle is half into base into height. That is half into OA into OB. Right? This step is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So इसको अब हम लोग 1/4 लिख सकते हैं. You can start directly with 1/4 also. So 1/4 pi का value दिया हुआ है 3.14. OA that radius that is 10 and O half into base into height ये दोनों 10 हो जाएगा. So we are getting this one. So the area of triangle is 50 and this is 314 divided by 4, 78.5. So 78.5 minus 50. So final answer is 28.5 centimeter square. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So now we are moving toward question number 6. In the given figure, a square OABC has been inscribed in the quadrant OPBQ, right? If OA is equals to 20 centimeter, then the area of shaded region is dash. So first of all, what we will do, we will join OB, okay? And we will find the value of OB by using Pythagoras theorem. So this is 20, and if we join this OA, right? So we will use Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. That is OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square, right? This is the figure, and we'll get 20 root 2. Like 20 square plus 20 square, that is 400 plus 400, 800. And the square root of 800 is 20 root 2. Okay. Now this is the radius of the quadrant. And we know that the quadrant area of quadrant formula is 1/4 pi r square. तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग quadrant में से ये square minus करेंगे. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
So the area of shaded region is area of quadrant minus area of square. Now area of quadrant is 1/4 pi r square and the area of square is a square, that is side into side. Side is 20, right? So 1/4 pi, that is 3.14 into r square, that is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. So this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, एक 4 को हम लोग यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर देते हैं. अच्छा एक मिनट, यहाँ पे डेसिमल पहले हटा दो, right? If you multiply 20 root 2, 20 root 2, you will get 800, right? And this is 400. एक स्टेप और मैं लिख रहा हूँ, चलो. Okay, अब ये 100 यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर लो. And 4 2s are 8. So we'll get 628 minus 400. So final answer is 228. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 7. In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle inscribed in a circle having length 8 centimeter and breadth 6 centimeter. If pi is equals to 3.14, then the area of the shaded region is dash. So very simple, circle में से rectangle minus करना है, but circle का यहाँ पर radius नहीं दिया हुआ है. So for that what we will do, we will join AC, right, and we will find the value of AC by using Pythagoras theorem. So this triangle we will take, this one, and this is also 6, and now we have to find AC. तो 8 6 का जो ट्रिपलेट जो होता है थर्ड नंबर वो 10 होता है. सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली यूज 10 ऑल्सो, क्योंकि दिस इज MCQ क्वेश्चन, स्टेप्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, बट मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना है इसलिए मैं आई एम यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, दैट इज AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. AB is 8, BC is 6, so 8 square plus 6 square. 64 plus 36 कितना हो रहा है?
100.
100. What is the square root of 100?
10.
10. So we got AC is equals to 10. You can write directly also. Okay. So if AC is equals to 10, what will be the radius?
5.
5. Very good. Now we will write the area of shaded region is equals to area of circle minus area of rectangle. Right? Area of circle is pi r square and area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 8 into 6, and pi value is given 3.14 into 5 into 5. So this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. If you multiply this, you will get 78.5 minus 48. 78.5 minus 48, you will get 30.5. So this is the final answer. Which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, क्योंकि इसमें दिया नहीं है, right? So now we are moving toward question number 8. Okay. The minute hand of a clock is 12 centimeter long. Find the area swept by it in 35 minutes. Okay. So we'll start with the same step. Angle subtended by the minute hand in 1 minute is 6 degree. So in 35 minutes, 35 into 6, that is 210. So now radius is 12 and theta is 210. We have to find area swept by minute hand. That will be area of sector. Okay. So we will write the area of sector formula, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now the value of theta is 210, pi is 22 by 7 and the radius is 12. So we'll substitute all the values. So पहले तो ये वाला cancel कर लो. Okay. So 7 3s are, now 12 3s are, this 3 also we can cancel, and only what is left 22 into 12, and 22 into 12 is nothing but 264 centimeters square. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, right. So now we are moving toward question number 9. Question number 9, in the given figure ABCD is a square, each of whose sides measures 28 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. So how will you find the area of this shaded region? स्क्वायर में से ये चारों क्वाड्रेंट माइनस करना है. द फिगर इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो लेट R बी द रेडियस. ध्यान से देखो, एंड ऑल द स्क्वायर्स आर सेम. सो ये R है और ये भी R है. सो दैट मीन्स 2R इज इक्वल्स टू 28 सेंटीमीटर. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ R?
14 centimeters.
14 centimeter, right. So area of shaded region is equals to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants, right? Yeah, 4 into area of 1 quadrant. Okay, so the formula of area of square is a square and the formula of area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square. So इसमें 4 4 हम लोग cancel कर सकते हैं. So we'll get a square minus pi r square. Now a is 28, so 28 into 28 minus pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 14. So एक 14 हम लोग 7 से cancel कर सकते हैं, right? So we are getting 28 square, that is 784. 22 into 28, 2 into 4, 14. So 616. So 784 minus 616 is 168 centimeter square. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 10. The minute hand of a clock is 7.5 centimeter long. find the area of the face of the clock described by the minute hand in 56 minutes. So देखो एरिया स्वेप्ट बाय मिनट हैंड और ये दोनों एक ही क्वेश्चन है, बट यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन की यहाँ पे क्रिएट करने के लिए दिया हुआ है फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द फेस ऑफ द क्लॉक डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय मिनट हैंड, मतलब एक ही मतलब है एरिया स्वेप्ट बाय मिनट हैंड इन 56 minutes, right? So the length of the minute hand will be the radius, that is 7.5 centimeter, and the angle subtended by a minute hand in 1 minute is 6 degree, क्योंकि 60 minute में 360 होता है, so 1 minute में 360 upon 60, that is 6 degree, right? So 56 minute में 56 into 6 हो जाएगा, that is 336 degree. Now we have to find area of sector. So the formula of area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now the value of theta is 336, pi is 22 by 7 and r is 7.5. Okay, तो ये हम लोग को सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले 336 और 360 को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. You can divide it by 6. If you divide it by 6, you will get 56, right? 56 और यहाँ पे 60 मिलेगा. Now this also you can divide, 7 से divide कर सकते हैं हम लोग, 8, right? Further you can divide these two also, 4 से divide करो, 2, 15, right? 7.5 we can divide it by 15. Will get 0.5. Now if you multiply 0.5 with 1, if you multiply 0.5 with 0.5 with 2, you will get 1. Only left is 22 into 7.5. तो 22 into 7 होता है 154 और 22 का half होता है 11. So that means 165 centimeter square. This calculation is clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, so correct option क्या है?
Option B.
Option B, right. This is option B. Next question. Question number 11. 4 cows are tethered at the 4 corners of a square field of side 50 meters such that each can graze the maximum unshared area. What area will be left ungrazed? Take pi is equals to 3.14. So इसका एक रफ फिगर मैं समझा रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. एक स्क्वायर बना रहा हूँ मैं. जो मैक्सिमम पोर्शन रहेगा वो हाफ रेडियस पे रहेगा, देखो, लाइक दैट. सो दिस पार्ट इज ग्रेजिंग पार्ट. ठीक है, ये समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
हम लोग को क्या निकालना है? अनग्रेज्ड मीन्स दिस पार्ट, जिसको मैं भी क्रॉस करके बता रहा हूँ. दिस पार्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो वेरी सिंपल, एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ 4 क्वाड्रेंट्स, राइट? नाउ द एरिया साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज गिवन 50 मीटर, सो उसका हाफ रेडियस हो जाएगा, दैट इज 25 मीटर. एंड एरिया ऑफ अनग्रेज्ड पार्ट विल बी एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट. फिगर समझ में आ गया सबको?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, मैं निकाल दे रहा हूँ. नाउ एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज ए स्क्वायर, एरिया 4 इंटू एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट इज 1/4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ पे 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो विल गेट ए स्क्वायर माइनस पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो ए स्क्वायर इज 50 इंटू 50, पाई, द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई इज ऑलरेडी गिवन 3.14 एंड द रेडियस इज 25. Okay, so 50 into 50 is 2500 and 3.14 into 25 into 25 you will get 1962.5. इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो फाइनल आंसर आ जाएगा 537.5 मीटर स्क्वायर. एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. एनी डाउट इन दिस क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 12. The length of an arc of a circle subtending an angle of 54 degree at the center is 16.5 centimeter. Calculate the radius. So यहाँ पे arc का length दिया हुआ है, we have to find the radius, right? So length of arc is 16.5 centimeter. theta is given 54, and we need to find radius. So what is the formula of length of the arc?
Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r.
Very good. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. This is given 16.5. So 16.5 is equals to 54 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अभी ये दोनों देखो 360 और 7 इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा एंड 54 2 और 22 नीचे आ जाएगा. Cross multiplication. So R is equals to 16.5 into 360 into 7 upon 54 into 2 into 22. Okay? तो मैं काम करता हूँ यहाँ पे डेसिमल हटा देता हूँ, इसका एक जीरो हटा के. Right? So let us start. 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54. एक ये हो गया. दूसरा 11 2s are और 11 15 यहाँ पे क्योंकि मैं डेसिमल हटा दिया हूँ. ओके. और एक 2 ये भी कैंसिल कर लो. राइट. और ये भी 3 से कैंसिल कर लो. सो हम लोग को देखो 35/2 बच रहा है. वो कितना होगा? 17.5
17.5.
सेंटीमीटर. कैलकुलेशन क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज A.
Option A.
Right? This is A. Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 13. The radius of a circle with center O is 7 centimeter. Two radii OA and OB are drawn at right angles to each other. Find the area of major segment. So this is the rough figure, and this shaded part we have to find. This is the minor segment and this is the major segment. So anyhow we have to find minor segment first. फिर उसको सर्कल से माइनस करेंगे. ठीक है. सो माइनर सेगमेंट के लिए कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AOB. और माइनर सेक्टर यहाँ पे क्वाड्रेंट है बिकॉज 90 डिग्री इट इज गिवन राइट एंगल्स. सो एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट इज 1/4 pi r square and area of right triangle is half into base into height, that is half into OA into OB. This step is cleared, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll substitute the value of pi 22/7. Radius is given 7 and OA, OB both are 7. Okay, so एक 7 यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर दिए हम लोग और this also we are going to cancel by 2. 11 into 7 upon 2 बचेगा यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर 49/2. So 38.5 minus 49/2, that is 24.5. So finally we got 14 centimeter square. This is clear? Now this area we have to subtract from
Yes,
full
sir.
circle. This area we have to subtract from full circle. So area of major segment is equals to area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of circle is pi r square and area of minor segment we already got 14 centimeter square. So the value of pi is 22/7 and r is 7. So यहाँ पे 7 cancel हो जाएगा and we'll get only 22/7. 7 cancel, that is 22 into 7, 154 minus 14. So final answer is 140 centimeter square. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 14. In a circle of radius 10.5 centimeter, the minor arc is 1/5 of the major arc. Find the area of the sector corresponding to the major arc. So first of all, let the length of major arc be x centimeter. Okay, so that means length of minor arc कितना होगा? Major arc is x and minor arc is 1/5 of the major arc. So x by 5. Okay, and the radius is given 10.5 centimeter. So length of the minor arc will be x upon 5. This is x upon 5. एक मिनट मैं फिर से लिख देता हूँ x upon 5. Right. So now you tell me if we add minor arc and major arc, what we will get? Arc. If we add minor arc and major arc, what you will get? पूरा फुल
Circumference of circle.
वेरी गुड, फुल सर्कल मिलेगा, ठीक है. सो दैट मीन्स सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ ए सर्कल इज इक्वल टू x प्लस x अपॉन 5 एंड दैट इज 6x अपॉन 5. वेदर दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
And this is equals to 2 pi r. This is equals to 2 pi r. So r 10.5 है, we can write 21 by 2 also, right? तो यहाँ पे ये कैंसिल हो रहा है, देखो 3 और 1 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. So we'll get 6x upon 5 is equals to 66, right? और 66 हम लोग 6 से भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. So finally x we will get 55, right? This is what? Length of major arc. लेकिन हम लोग को क्या निकालना है? Area of sector. And we have one formula, area of sector. If you remember, I told you in the regular class, half into LR. याद है?
Yes, sir.
Half into L means length of the arc into radius. So that formula we will use. Length of the major arc we got 55. So half into 55 into radius, that is 21 by 2. So this step is clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So यहाँ पे हम लोग कैंसिल तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, 55 into 21 divided by 4 करेंगे. So we'll get 288.375. So which option is the correct one? Option D.
Option.
Clear? Any doubt in this question?
सर राउंड फिगर करेंगे तो 288 आएगा ना सर?
राउंड अप करोगे तो 289 आना चाहिए. 288.75 है ना. If you round up, your answer must be 289. If you round up, so round up वाला आंसर नहीं दिया है, ना डेसिमल वाला. So none of this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 15. The short and long hands of a clock are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter long respectively. Find the sum of distances traveled by their tips in 2 days. ठीक है. Short hand मतलब hour hand हो गया. Long hand means minute hand. That you have to keep in your mind. So you tell me in 1 day how many rounds short hand will complete? How many rounds short hand? एक दिन में कितने बार घूमता है? 2 राउंड्स है ना, 24 आवर्स. 12 आवर्स में एक राउंड, फिर another 12 hours another round. So in 2 days how many rounds?
4 rounds.
4 rounds. ये समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Okay. Now you tell me length of short hand is given 4 centimeter. That will be the radius. Okay. And distance covered by in 1 round is 2 pi r. That is 2 pi into 4. And 4 rounds. So you have to multiply with 4. So 4 into 2 pi into 4. That is 32 pi. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in 2 days, long hand will complete how many rounds? पहले तो एक दिन में कितना complete कर रहा है? एक घंटे. हाँ, tell me.
24.
24. Very good. So 2 days it will complete how many rounds?
48.
48. Very good. So that means 48 times circumference, and the length of long hand is given 6 centimeter. So 48 into 2 pi into 6, and that is equals to 576 pi. Now the total distance means we have to add these two. ठीक है? We have to add this to 32 pi plus 576 pi, and we'll get 608 pi. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward next question, question number 16. A rope by which a cow is tethered is increased from 16 meter to 23 meter. How much additional ground does it have now graze? Question clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अभी देखो, ध्यान से देखो. सपोज ये है एक इतना सर्कल, अगर बीच में हम लोग यहाँ पे बांध दिए तो इतना एरिया कवर करेगा, ठीक है। सो ये पहले वाला है और ये बाद वाला है, सो इतना एरिया एक्स्ट्रा कवर करेगा, दैट इज एरिया ऑफ रिंग। सो एरिया ऑफ बिगर सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ स्मॉलर सर्कल, दैट विल बी योर आंसर। दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So R1 is, we will take the smaller one 16 meter and R2 we will take 23 meter. So area of additional ground does it have now graze is equals to area of bigger circle, outer circle minus area of inner circle. That is pi R1 square minus pi R2 square. So we can take pi common. So the value of pi is 22/7 and R1 is, एक मिनट R2 होगा ना, उल्टा होगा, R2 and R1, this is R1, right? So 23 square minus 16 square. So यहाँ पे 23 का स्क्वायर अगर याद नहीं है तो हम लोग a square minus b square फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं, that is a plus b into a minus b. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
This is 39 and this is 7. So 7 we can cancel, 7 we can cancel with 7 and the final answer is 858, that is 22 into 39, right? और इसमें नहीं दिया है, नहीं दिया हुआ है। See, यहाँ फर्स्ट आंसर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है, ये भी सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है, ये भी सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है, सो आंसर इज नन ऑफ दिस। क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we are moving toward question number 17. 4 equal circles are described about the 4 corners of a square so that each touches 2 of the others as shown in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region if each side of the square measures 14 centimeter. Right. So यहाँ पे side of a square is given 14. So what will be the radius of the circles? 7 centimeter. Very good. So now area of shaded region is equals to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. ठीक है, स्क्वायर में से 4 quadrants हटा दो. So area of one quadrant we know that it is 1/4 pi r square, that is 1/4 into 22/7 into 7 into 7. और area of 4 quadrants हो जाएगा 4 into this. So we can cancel this 4 and 1 7 and we'll get 154 centimeter square. Now area of square is 14 into 14, that is 196 centimeter square. इन दोनों को subtract कर दो, so you will get the area of shaded region, that is 196 minus 152. So final answer is 42. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So now we are moving towards another question, question number 18. 4 equal circles, each of radii 5 centimeter, touch each other as shown in this figure. Find the area of the included between them. So it's a very similar question, but we need to complete the figure by joining A, B, C, D. ठीक है, तो हम लोग जब ज्वाइन करेंगे तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को स्क्वायर मिलेगा ऐसे, and we have to find this area. So very similar, area of square minus area of 4 quadrants, right? So radius is given 5 centimeter. So side of square कितना हो जाएगा 5 plus 5, that is 10 centimeter, right? And all sides are equal, so it is a square. यहाँ पे पहले क्योंकि यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में कहीं पर भी मेंशन नहीं है स्क्वायर है, वो तो हम लोग को स्क्वायर यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, राइट? यहाँ तक क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And area of quadrant of one circle, we know that just अभी हम लोग जो किए सेम वही स्टेप फॉलो करेंगे. 1/4 pi r square, so 1/4 into 22/7 into 5 into 5. When we multiply with 4, 4 will be cancelled and we'll get 22 into 5 into 5/7. That is approximately 78.57 centimeter square. Now area of square is 10 into 10, that is 100. अब 100 में से ये माइनस करेंगे, so we'll get 21.43. So the correct option is A, right? So now we are moving toward question number 19. A sector of 56 degree cut out from a circle contains area 4.4 centimeter square. Find the radius of the circle. That means area of sector is given 4.4 centimeter square and theta is given. So we need to find the radius. So what is the formula of area of sector?
Theta upon 360 into
Very good. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. And this is given 4.4. And the value of theta is given 5.56 and the value of pi is 22 by 7. Sub value substitute kar do. Okay. So now we'll shift this 2 to this side and 56 or 20 down, cross multiplication. So we'll get 360 upon 56 into 7 upon 22 into 4.4. So यहाँ पे डेसिमल हटाने के लिए हम लोग को डिवाइड बाई 10 करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, अब कैलकुलेशन इजी हो गया. देखो एक जीरो यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर लो एंड 22 2s are right, 7 8s are again 2 also we can cancel here. 4 only one number is left, this number. So we are getting 9. So r square is equals to 9. So the value of r is 3 centimeter. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 20. Area of sector of central angle 200 degree of a circle is 770 centimeter square. Find the length of the corresponding arc of this sector. So area of sector is given and theta is given. Okay. So we'll write the same step. That is area of sector is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. And area is given 770, theta is given 200 and the value of pi is 22 by 7. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, ये और ये दोनों इस तरफ शिफ्ट करेंगे तो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. So we'll get this step. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन हम लोग करेंगे. ये दोनों जीरो कैंसिल कर लो यहाँ से. Okay. And this also we can cancel it. 11 7s are 11 2s are. Okay, and this 2 also we can cancel. 18 और एक 2 बच गया 9. So we are getting 9 into 7 into 7. That is 441. Square root of 441 is 21. So we got radius. Now the area of sector. Area of sector is equals to half into LR, that we know. Half into length of arc into radius. So length of arc we have to find actually. So हम लोग के पास ये दोनों values हैं, radius और sector. तो इसको substitute कर देते हैं. So length of arc will be equals to 770 into 2 by 21. अब यहाँ पर अगर हम लोग cancel करेंगे, simplify करेंगे, तो 220 by 3 मिलता है. This is the final answer. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 21. In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle of dimension 21 into 14. A semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area and perimeter. Wait, इसको थोड़ा सा correction करना है. Only area. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure. So question is clear. How will you find this shaded region?
area of rectangle minus area of
Very good. Area of rectangle minus area of semicircle. Semicircle का radius नहीं पता हम लोग को, but diameter is BC, that is 14 centimeter. So what will be the radius of semicircle?
7 centimeters.
Very good, 7 centimeter. So now area of shaded region is equals to area of rectangle minus area of semicircle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 21 into 4, and area of semicircle is half pi r square, and r is 7. Okay, so 21 into 14 will get 294. Pi is 22 by 7. So हम लोग ये वाला part simplify करेंगे. 22 also we can cancel it by 2. So we'll get 77 here. 294 minus 77. So 217. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
option C.
Right. Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 22. In the given figure, the sectors of two concentric circles of radii 7 cm and 3.5 cm are shown. Find the area of the shaded region. So very simple, area of outer sector minus area of inner sector. This is the first step. This is clear? Suppose
Yes.
a radius of outer sector is capital R and radius of inner sector is small r. So ये हो जाएगा हम लोग का थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर माइनस थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. So what we can take common from these two? दोनों में से क्या?
360 into pi.
वेरी गुड. थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई इंटू कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर माइनस स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. राइट. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. थीटा इज 30, pi is 22/7, capital R is 7, small r is 3.5. So again here we are using a plus b into a minus b form, right? और इसको हम लोग कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 1/12. So 1/12 into 22/7 into 7 plus 3.5 into 7 minus 3.5. So this will become 3.5 and this will become 10.5. अभी 10.5 को हम लोग 21/2 लिख लेंगे और 3.5 को 7/2. थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन इजी हो जाएगा. एक 7 कैंसिल हो गया देखो. And this also we can cancel 11. Okay. So this also we can cancel. 3 4s are and 3 7s are. So 77 upon 8 आ रहा हम लोग का. And that is nothing but 9.625 centimeter square. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 23. A horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meter by 52 meter. It is tethered to one corner by a rope 21 meter long. How much area is left ungrazed? So this is the rough figure. We have to find this white portion. So how will you find?
Area of rectangle minus area of quadrant.
Very good. Area of rectangle minus area of quadrant. And the radius is also given 21 meter. एक मिनट, ये सब में मीटर है ना? All is meter. Okay, fine. So 21 meter is the radius of quadrant, and the shaded portion shows the part of the field the horse can graze. So area of ungrazed part is equals to area of rectangle minus area of quadrant. Right? So first we will find area of grazed field, that is area of quadrant, 1/4 pi r square. So 1/4 22/7 into 21 into 21. So 21 हम लोग 7 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, and this also we can cancel by 2. So we'll get 11 into 3 into 21/2, right? That is 693 by 2, 346.5 meters square. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now total field is the area of rectangle, that is 70 into 52. So 70 into 52 is 3640 meters square. अब उसमें से 346.5 माइनस कर दो, you will get ungrazed part. If you subtract, you will get 3293.5 meters square. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C.
Option C. Okay. Another 2 questions left. Total 25 hai. So 24th question. In the given figure, ABCD is a trapezium of area 24.5 centimeter square. If AD is parallel to BC, an angle DAB is 90 degree, AD is 10 centimeter, and BC is per centimeter. ABE is quadrant. It is given quadrant. Okay. Then find the area of the shaded region. So very simple, area of trapezium minus area of quadrant. Okay, and first we have to start with the what is the area of trapezium? Half into
A plus B into H.
sum of parallel sides into distance between them. That is AD plus BC into AB. This is clear? And
Yes.
area of trapezium is already given 24.5, and AD is also given, BC is also given, AB we are going to find. AB की ज़रूरत भी है क्योंकि AB is the radius of this quadrant. Okay, so 24.5 is equals to half into 10 plus 4 into AB, and 24.5 into 2 हो जाएगा 49, and this will become 14. So AB is equals to 49 by 14, that is 7 by 2. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now area of shaded region. Already I told you that area of trapezium minus area of quadrant. Area of trapezium already given 24.5. Area of quadrant is 1 upon 4 pi r square. R is AB. So we'll substitute the value of pi and AB. So 7 cancel, and this also cancel. 22 को भी 2 से cancel कर दिए. 77 by 8 आ रहा, that is nothing but 9.625. Okay, 9.625 minus करेंगे तो 14.875 आएगा. This is the final answer. So which option is the correct one? Option D, right. So now we are moving toward the last question of today's session. PQRS is a diameter of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. The lengths PQ, QR and RS are equal. Semicircles are drawn with PQ and QS as diameters as shown in the given figure. If PS is equals to 12, find the perimeter. Right. अभी ध्यान से देखो, PS जो है वो 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किए, तो ये भी 4 होगा, ये भी 4 होगा और ये भी 4 होगा. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. And the perimeter of full circle, we know that the formula, that is circumference 2 pi r. Okay. So perimeter of circular arc, first perimeter of half arc means not full, this one is pi r. ठीक है. Perimeter of a semicircular arc is pi r. This formula we are going to use. तो पहले तो ये वाला, उसके बाद ये वाला, then we are taking this one. So ये 3 arc हम लोग को add करना है. Okay, so let us start with the first one. For the arc PTS, this one, ये बाहर वाला, ये वाला, ये हो जाएगा total 12 सेंटीमीटर is given, तो इसका आधा 6 हो जाएगा radius, so 6 pi. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will move towards this one, the next smaller one. इसका जो diameter है 8, so 8 का half 4, so radius is 4 centimeter, so circumference of this one is 4 pi. Right? The last one, this arc, the diameter is 4, so radius will be 2, so the length of this semicircular arc is 2 pi. अब ये तीनों का ऐड करना है. Right? यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
So how much we are getting?
12
12 pi, and the value of pi is already given 3.14. So 12 into 3.14. So we'll get 37.68 centimeter. So what is the final answer?
Option B.
Option B, right. So this is the last question of today's session, and now in the next session we will start the MCQ questions on probability. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.